What up, everybody? It's your boy HCP, back with another review for you. Check it out today. Today we're gonna do it a little. We're gonna do it a little healthy. I don't know if you consider this healthy, but it's whatever. I guess like in a lot of people eyes, it's a good thing, but some people's eyes it's a bad thing. Keto walnut fudge brownie. I had this for a while. I never tried it. I had a cake one too. I just never tried it. It says it has 5 carbs, no sugar, 10 grams of protein. Keto. Put it in the microwave. You eat it. Nowadays we microwaving everything. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, hold on a second. It's hot now. Okay, open it up. I don't know what I was expecting. It's walnut fudge brownie. You got little walnut pieces in it. You got your mix right there. Like I say, put it in the microwave. Like everything else, they've made so many things you can just put in the microwave and just pop out and eat. It's crazy. Add 2 teaspoons of cold water. See, I didn't even know I had this. Y'all know I've been looking for a peeler, a vegetable peeler. I've been looking for it and I thought I didn't have one because I eat a lot of cucumbers and I like them peeled sometimes. I didn't even know I had this. So, now I freaking have 2. I didn't know I had this in here. I could have saved some money. I went and bought this one. Didn't even know I had this. It still got the plastic on it. That's crazy. Okay. How much it say? Where you go? 1 tablespoon. Okay, then we gon', it says, 2 tables. Say 2 tables. Okay. I hope it come out right. Then it say 1 tablespoon of melted butter. We got our butter right here, all melted. When I was melting this butter, I kid you not, it sounded like my microwave was finna blow up. I don't know what kind of butter, what's in this butter, but it sounded like fireworks when I was melting this little bit of butter. We're gonna pour that in there. Then it say microwave, so I'm not mixing. Okay, stir well. I'm not mixing it up. All right, we're gonna stir well, y'all. Hope everybody's day is going great. I'm just chilling. I need to go vacuum out my car. It's real dusty. When I get here from work, get dust everywhere. Need to vacuum out my car. Okay, I'm stirring the crap out of this and I still got hella lumps in this. Bro, I'm stirring. I don't know if y'all can. I'm getting the light a little bit. I'm stirring and it's still lumpy. But thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, I do this because I love doing it. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun. And I'm still stirring. And it's still, is this supposed to be that? I mean, I don't know if y'all know. Is this supposed to be like that? Did I put enough water? Okay, I add a little bit more water. It still don't look right, but I'm gonna give it a go. Alright. Stir that on up. Then we're gonna put it in the microwave uncovered for 1 minute. Then we're gonna cool 2 minutes in the microwave. So I'm guessing leave it in just after the 1 minute, leave it in the microwave for 2 more minutes and just let it cool off. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna microwave this and I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna eat it. I'm gonna let you know what it tastes like. I'm gonna let you know if it's good or not. I'll see you in a minute. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, y'all, we back. We got a cake right here. Put it in the microwave for a minute. Alright? Let it sit. Then I'm like, something don't look right. Then it's still all watery and like it's not done. So I put it back in again. Took it out. Let it sit. Still didn't act right. So it said it take 1 minute. I ended up putting it in the microwave for a total of 3 minutes. I don't know if it was something I did. I don't know if I guess how many watts the microwave is or whatever. I don't know. But we got our cake. Look how it look all around there. Like, alright. Look at the texture of it. It's like, man, I know I did this right. Boy, I know I did this right. It's all like extra soft and soft. Why my glass? The steam done fogged my glasses up. It's all extra like gooey. Alright, let's check this out. Try to get one of these little walnut pieces up in here. It's not bad, but it's like what you would expect from like one of these keto type deals. Ain't that much flavor in it. It's not that much flavor. And it's all ooey and goo. I know I did this right. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know. But it's just like extra soft and mushy. I'm not using my brownie. Brownies ain't really supposed to be like that. But I know I did it right. But it's not bad. Like I said, it's what you would expect from keto stuff. So it's not bad. Could be better. You know the only thing that would really make this better? Hold on, wait. Give me a minute. Bam. Edie's Rocky Road ice cream. It ain't gonna be keto no more, but it'll be good. That's the only thing that'll make it better. Put that up in there. Get you a little bit of marshmallow in there. Get you a marshmallow in there. Get you a little bit up in there. It ain't keto no more. It ain't keto no more. Now let's check it out. Yeah. Yeah. Kind of like defeats the purpose, but it makes it a whole lot better. Yeah. Yeah. You good now. You good. The mushiness, you don't even think about the mushiness no more. When you think about the ice cream, it's good now. It's good now. Get some of that. Get some of this. This is good. This right here. I know a lot of people be hating on Rocky Road. This where it's at. This ease. Yeah, get some of that. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribing, all that good stuff. This is okay. This is great. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you. Try something new with this video. I tried to shoot it like this way. See how it looks, see how it turned out. Don't hurt to try. But yeah. That's okay. That's great. See you when I see you. Okay, hold on. I'm trying a bunch of stuff. I'm trying a bunch of stuff with this video. I know I ain't gone yet. But okay, let's try it again. Like, subscribe. See you when I see you. Goodbye.